Hello, my name is Madalina. Welcome to another WileAudrin tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to show on two 7-segment displays the number of likes from a Facebook page. What we need is a Raspberry Pi, two 7-segment displays, two resistors, and jumper wires. The 7-segment display has a common anode. That means that using the resistor, we connect it to the 5-volt pin of the Raspberry Pi. Each segment of the display behaves like a LED. That means that it also needs a ground. So, we connect each segment to a digital pin of the Raspberry Pi, and this pin will be set to low, so it simulates the ground. Let's start coding. We just need to create a new project, name it 7-segment. Make sure we use Visual Programming and click Submit. When we enter the project, we already have a block on the screen. This is not needed, so we can delete it. For the Facebook part, we need to go to Social, choose Facebook, and find the block that we need. The first block is about the Facebook Access token. We use this token for more complicated projects. The tutorials for this kind of projects are in the WileAudrin's page. For now, we just use the block that says get number of likes from page name. The page name will be replaced by the ending part of the page's link. We copy what's after the slash and paste it inside the block. We go to Program, Variables, and set a new variable for this number. We only have two 7-segment displays, so we will need the last two digits of the number of likes. To get the very last digit, we need to divide the number of likes by 10 and then get the remainder. For that, we go to Math, scroll down until we find the block that says remainder of, and fill the two parts with our number of likes that we find in variables and the number 10 that is in number and math, the first block. Now we have our last digit. Let's put a name to it. To get this next to last digit, we will have first to divide the number of likes by 10. To do that, we go to Numbers and Math, choose the block that has the plus in the middle, replace the plus with divide, and simply put likes, which is our number, and 10 that we can duplicate from here. To get the digit, we have to find the remainder of this number divided by 10. Here is our next to last digit. What we need to do now is tell our Raspberry Pi where each segment of the display is connected. We close Program and go to Peripherals. Here we will find the 7-segment display section. We drag the block and we make sure that we click the common anode. Our 7-segment display is now called Seg7. and its A segment is connected to pin 0. The B segment is connected to pin 1. The dot segment is not connected, so we just delete it. We collapse this block and move on to the next one. We do the same for the second 7-segment display, but we just name it in a different way. This 7-segment display has its A segment connected to pin 7, the next one to 8, and so on. The dot pin is not connected. To make sure you connect correctly each segment to the pins, you go on Google and write the name of your model of 7-segment display and the word datasheet. Here you will find instructions of how to connect your 7-segment display. Now the Raspberry Pi needs to know what we want to display. So in this section, we choose the block that says Display on Seg7. Our next to last digit that we called next. On the other 7-segment display, that is called Seg77, we want to display the very last digit. Now we just run the project, and we will see that the number of your page, for me is 2, will be shown on the 7-segment display. If we want to see the changes in real time, all we need to do is go to Program, choose Loops, and repeat every second. What this block does is to repeat every 1 second the blocks that are inside it. Now we run the project, and on the 7-segment display, we can read the number of likes that we have on the page, which is, for now, 2. If we unlike the page, the 7-segment display will show just 1 like. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel.